Today we'll see the directional questions, directional ratios. Let us finish off this chapter. Okay. Now the problem is find the angles between two diagonals of a cube. Okay, solution. Now you have to draw cube. Okay, dear. Okay, now I have drawn a cube. Let side of a cube is A. What is the side of a cube? A. Now, diagonals. What are the diagonals? I can consider AE and CD. What are the diagonals? AE and CD. Okay. From x-axis we are finding a diagonal in YZ plane. From x-axis we are finding a diagonal in YZ plane. From z-axis we are finding a diagonal in xy plane. So what are the diagonals? AE and CD. Now DRs of AE. What are the A points are? A comma 0 comma 0. Okay. What is the A point? A comma 0 comma 0. And what is the E point? 0 comma A comma A. Therefore DRs is 0 minus A minus 0, A minus 0. So this becomes minus A. This we call it as A1, B1, C1. A1, B1, C1. Next step. DRs of CD. What is the C point? 0, 0, A. What is the D point? A, 0. Therefore, DRs A minus 0, A minus 0, 0 minus A comma minus A. You call it as A2, B2, C2. Right? A2, B2, C2. Therefore, angle is cos theta. A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 by root of A1 square, B1 square, C1 square. Root of A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. Modulus A1, A2 minus A into A minus A square. Then A into A square. Next A into minus A square. Modulus by root of A1 square means A square plus A square plus A square. Next one A square plus A square plus A square. A square will get cancelled. Cos theta is equal to minus modulus A square root of 3A square root of 3A square. Modulus is there, that will become plus only. Here root 3A into root 3A. A into A square will get cancelled. Cos theta is equal to root 3 into root 3, 1 by root 9, which is 1 by 3. Therefore, theta is equal to cos inverse 1 by 3. Is the angle between diagonals. Angle between the diagonals. Okay. So here we are finding angle between two diagonals of a cube. Okay. Please note down this. Okay. If a ray makes angles alpha, beta, gamma, delta with 4 diagonals of a cube, then find the value of cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma plus cos square delta. Now I am drawing a cube again. Look at this problem. Now, we have drawn the diagram. This is the origin, x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. A point is on x-axis, a comma 0 comma 0. B point is on y-axis, 0 comma a comma 0. Means x-axis means a coordinate will be there. Y-axis means y coordinate will be there. On c-axis, what is the point? 0 comma a, 0 comma a. Now, D is the between x and y. So, x value will be there, y value will be there, z will be 0. Between y and z, this will be there, 0 comma a comma a. Then this is a comma 0 comma a. It is between x and z. And P is in the air, 3-dimensional figure. So, a comma a comma a. Now, we got the diagram. What is the statement? Let the side of a cube is A with reference to origin, points denoted on cube. So, means all the points are identified. Now, diagonals. Now, 4 diagonals we have tried. What are the 4 diagonals? First will come AE, next BF and CD and OP. AE, BF, CD, OP. How we are writing? On x-axis A point is there, opposite this will be YZ. Therefore, E will be there. And on y-axis B point is there, opposite is F, because between x and z. This is a y-axis, so we have to consider x and z. A comma 0 comma a. This is a point. Next on z-axis, opposite is D. And from the air, origin to point. So 4 diagonals have come. Now first we will write drs of AE. Observe here the method of doing this problem. drs of AE. What is A point? A comma 0 comma 0. What is the E point? 0 comma A comma A. drs is 0 minus A minus A minus 0, A minus 0. Now we have to find DCs of the line, DCs of the diagonal. AE. How we will find out? Minus A by root of minus A whole square plus A whole square plus A whole square. Then comma A by again minus A whole square plus A whole square plus A whole square. A by minus A whole square plus A whole square plus A whole square. So this becomes minus A by, here there is no modulus, simply you are right. So this becomes 3A square A by root 3A square A by root 3A square. So this becomes square root will go A by minus 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3. What that we get? 1 by root 3. Why? Square root of a square is a, so that a will get cancelled. Minus 1 by root 3, minus 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3. Now, drs of, next one is what, sir? BF. What is the B point? B point is 0 comma a comma 0. What is F point? A comma 0 comma a. So this becomes a minus 0, a, 0 minus a, minus a and a. Therefore, I am writing DCs of BF. Here we have done already this expression, directly we can write. So what is that we have write? 1 by root 3 minus 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3. Okay, first one only we should know. Next step. DRs of CD. What is C point? 0 comma 0 comma a. What is the D point? A comma 0, which will give you a comma a minus a. Therefore, DCs of CD is what, sir? 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3 minus 1 by root 3. Right? So observe here, minus 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3. Again 1 by root 3 minus, means this minus 1 by root 3 is getting shifted, sir. Okay, here it is coming in the last. Next, last point. DRs of OP. What is the O point? 0 comma 0 comma 0. What is the P point? A comma a comma a. So what will happen? This becomes DRs is nothing but a comma a comma a. Okay, directly. So a minus 0, a minus 0. Therefore, DCs of OP will be what, sir? 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3. Right? Now what we have done? In the previous one we have found out DRs directly, but here to find all the 4 diagonals. Okay, please note down up to here. Now, look at here. Ray makes angles alpha, beta, gamma, delta with diagonals. Okay. With the diagonals. Ray makes angle alpha, beta, gamma, delta with diagonals. Okay. With whose DCs are L comma M comma N. This is we are assuming. Now, cos theta formula L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2. The formula is what? L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2. Cos theta is equal to. Therefore, cos alpha. Here L1 we have to consider L and L2 we have to consider first one. What is the value we got? Minus 1 by root 3. So what will happen? L into minus 1 by 3, 1 by root 3. So cos alpha is equal to minus L by root 3 plus M by root 3 plus N by root 3, which is nothing but by root 3. Right? Next, cos beta means we are using the formula L1 L2. So this becomes what again? L minus M plus N by root 3 modulus. Why? Here minus sign is there. Next one, cos gamma L plus M minus N by root 3. Then cos delta L plus M minus by root 3. Understood here? So we are using this formula. We got first one. Automatically second and third one we will copy this as this. Okay. Now therefore, cos square alpha cos square delta means what? Minus L plus N by root 3 whole square plus whole square plus whole square plus L plus M by root 3 whole square. Right? So what we have done? We have written the values. Now here once you expand, a plus b plus c whole square will come, but what will happen? Here minus 2lm will come, all the lm, mn, ln terms will get cancelled. So once you expand, that all terms will get cancelled, only will be left over with L square plus m square plus n square by 3. Here, next here also what is the left over? L square plus m square plus n square by 3. Next one, by 3 plus L square plus m square plus n square by 3. Okay, why? What will happen? All the remaining terms here minus lm will come, here plus lm will come. All cross cancellation will be left over. We know L square plus m square plus n square is equal to 1. Therefore, it becomes 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. What is the answer? 4 by 3. Therefore, cos square alpha, cos square beta, cos square gamma plus cos square delta is 4 by 3. Okay. So here we are not writing complete expansion, all the terms will get cancelled. Very, very important problem for 7 marks. With this, we have completed DCs and DRs. Okay, we'll start new chapter from next video. Okay.